Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Myself Habiba, I am from grade 8.
Myself, Amina Umama from grade 9.
Today we are discussing about fire alarm. Fire alarm indicates when people from first sir. Assalamu alaikum. Fire alarm. Fire alarm indicate people when smoke, fire, carbon monoxide or other fire-related emergencies are detected. These alarms activated automatically from smoke detectors or heat detectors. Uses of fire alarm. Fire alarm is useful in public places like school, hospitals, colleges, malls, etc. Fire alarm will protect us from the fire. It protects us by detecting a fire at an early stage. It protects us by alerting and evacuating occupants. Thank you for listening us. Jazakallahu khairan.